Alright, welcome back. This is James Possible, and I am continuing this short series on exporting data from MetaTrader 4 into Excel and doing some simple and basic data analysis. Okay, this is where we left off, and the last thing we did was I added this calculation, this right column, so we could look at the reoccurring values, the number of reoccurring candles in the same direction, right? So I'm going to just color this column header here. Okay. And then what we found was that there was one string or series of candles that was the same direction, and it occurred for 11 candles in a row. So I'm going to hold down my control key, press the letter F. This is find. Now I'm going to select options because I want to search the column. I want to search the values, and what I'm looking for is 11, and there it is. Whoops, I did it twice. Try this one more time. Okay, so right here from 1 to 11, I'm going to color this so we can see it. They're all -1, so that means this was pushing down, right? So the price was pushing down. Now what we can do is we can go over here and we can look at the open, the L open, and then we can subtract the L close. So we're starting at candle 1, we're taking the open of candle 1, and then we're going down to 11, and we're looking at the close of candle 11 to get a range. So now it says, now you notice it says 229. Remember that right number is the pipette or the fractional pip. So real quick, I'm just going to divide that by 10, and we can see that that movement down was 22.9 pips. Pretty cool, right? Let's get rid of that. Okay. Now what we can also do, so let's say we're looking for these long string of these short trends, right? That are we want to find them quickly, and it's not always easy just going and scanning a chart looking for these trends. So what we can do is we can use Excel to find those trends. And in this case we found this 11 candle trend, and if you go over here to the left, you'll see that the date is to the 23rd of February, and the time is 6:45. So now make sure that I've turned off my auto advance, what I'm going to do is 0.645. Okay, I'm going to drop a vertical line, I'm sorry. Go paste the date and time into it. Let's get this a little bit darker, a little bit easier to see. And now I'm going to do F8. I'm just doing this so I can stretch the candles out a little bit, slide the chart up and down, stretch it a little more just so it's easier to see. So here's the start of that 11 candle trend. And there's your 11 candles. Boom, all the way down. And remember how I said it was 22.9 pips? So there's the open. Right here's the open. Down here's the close. 22.9. Right on the money. Perfect, right? So rather than, you know, kind of paging through the data, you can do, using Excel and the data from MetaTrader 4, you can find these trends and analyze them, these short-term trends. So I'm just going to call these trending candles. Okay. Now let's do this. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go equals if and then hang on. Okay, so how do I want to do this the easiest way? So let's say trend-wise, we want to find trends that are 5 candles or more. Okay? What we can do is, if the trend is greater than or equal to 5, then I'm just going to put an asterisk there. Otherwise, I'm not going to put anything there. Hit enter, control copy, paste all the way down, and we can just page through. And so there we go. There's our first 5, 6, 7, actually it's an 8 candle trend, right? So I'm going to stop right here, and we'll pick this up on the next video. Again, thank you for joining me. This is James Possible. Leave comments, questions below. Like, share, all those things. Really appreciate it. It means a great deal. And I will respond and answer those questions to the best of my ability. Thank you for joining me. Bye for now.